Hi guys, welcome back again. So in this lab, we're gonna create a virtual network. In short, it's called VNet in Azure. It's a default lag. So let's try it. So what is a virtual network? Let me explain first before we're trying to show the challenge. So virtual network is located in Azure cloud. Is a In short we can call VNet. So we will have billions of users on the internet. It's kind of like data outside of the house. So we are in the private fence house. You understand what I mean here? Because like a virtual network is kind of like our own house, but it is private. So on the virtual network, we have many sorts of computers that we are running, that we are operating. So for example, we have computer one that's working for web server, and we have the computer two that is working for app server. We have the subnet 3, um, we can call computer 3, and that is working for database service. So all these computers are located in this hidden virtual network. So that is private, but these computers within this virtual network, they can talk to each other, they can communicate each other, and they can work together. So, but anybody on the internet, they cannot enter to this virtual network directly. If they want to enter to the virtual network, there's definitely need permission to enter to this virtual network. So we can simply understand what is a virtual network. So if you grab this concept, you can try to do you can do this lab. So alright, so now we create a virtual network. So the Nautilus DevOps team is um, strategizing the migration or a portion of their infrastructure to the Azure cloud. Recognizing the scale of this undertaking, they have opted to approach the migration in incremental step rather than as a single massive transition. To achieve this, they have segmented large tasks into smaller, more manageable units. This granular approach enables the team to execute the migration in gradual pace, ensuring smoother implementation and minimizing disruption to ongoing operations. So our task is to create a virtual network VNet. Name is xfusion-vnet in the East US region, not West, not Central. And we using any IPv4 Internet Protocol version for CINTR block, so we don't need to consider this part seriously. We can use any IPv4 CINTR. So we use these credentials. You can run their show credentials. I said the same, right? So we will go to the portal URL. I will click this. So before we doing like, I will copy all of this. This is for my video description. Alright. Okay, so I will use this username. Um, so I will use another account. I will try to click the names. So I will use this password. I copy it and I paste right there. No thanks. So now we are on the Azure dashboard, Microsoft Azure dashboard. So now what I had to supposed to do right here. So now we have to create a virtual network. So let me find the free virtual network. So I will click this virtual network. So now we create that new virtual network. I click that one. So we will use this existing resource group. We don't need to create a new one. Alright, so the virtual network name is xfusion-vnet. I will use that name. So now region is East US. So we don't need to change anything right there. So how about the security? There's no mention about the security case, so we can skip that state. So how about the IP address? See here IPv4. So we also need to think about this because we can use any IPv4 CIDR block. So this CIDR block is okay. It's okay. So here available address or 65,536 address within this CIDR block here from 00 to 255. Alright, so I will click next. We don't need to add tags. Next. So now is in the review and plus create state, and finally we will create it. So how to check the net list from the Azure terminal. Okay, close. So we can use this to check our VNet. Azure network is virtual network. So and we make a list in the output table. So let me check. Yeah, we successfully create a VNet. So VNet name is xfusion-vnet. So let me see here. Is there or not? So now you will see that. So in the Azure terminal, we were trying to show off the Azure virtual network list right here. So xfusion-vnet, that's the VNet that we created recently, and this is the resource group we use, and this is the region of the Azure virtual network, xfusion-vnet, and number of subnet is 1. So here's a preface. So alright, so we finished. I will try to check it out and click confirm. Yeah, that's it, right? If I could do, you can also do that. So alright, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video. No issue face.